In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule an appointment on Fresha. Whether you're a business owner, managing a busy schedule, or just need to make a small change to an existing booking, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Fresha partner account. This is the hub for managing all your appointments and ensuring your business runs smoothly. Once you're logged into your account, the next step is to find your calendar. You should see a tab labeled Calendar in the dashboard area. Go ahead and click on that. The calendar view is where you will manage all your appointments, giving you a clear overview of your schedule. Now that you're in the calendar, the next step is to locate the specific appointment you want to reschedule. Take your time scrolling through your bookings until you find the exact appointment. Once you have located it, you will want to click on it to open more details. Here, you'll see an option button, typically represented by 3 dots or a menu icon. Select this option to get more actions related to the appointment. Among the options presented, you should see Reschedule. Go ahead and click on this option. This part of the process allows you to choose a new date and time for the appointment easily. You'll want to be sure to pick a slot that is not only convenient for you, but also works for your client. Navigating through the dates and times should be straightforward, and you'll have the flexibility to select the best available time slot. After selecting the new desired date and time, the final step is crucial. Ensure you confirm the changes by clicking on the Reschedule button again. This step finalizes the new appointment details, and the changes will be updated in your calendar automatically. Remember, all these adjustments will be reflected in your client's calendar as well, ensuring they're informed of the change. Keeping open communication with your clients is key, so it might be a good idea to reach out to confirm they are aware of the new timing. By following this series of steps, you can efficiently manage your appointments and accommodate changes as needed. Whether it's for a simple time adjustment or reacting to unforeseen circumstances, Fresha's rescheduling system is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, keeping both you and your clients satisfied. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to reschedule appointments seamlessly using the Fresha platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your booking process.